Mary, we have a problem. A guest is checking out and says one bathrobe is missing from his room.
Missing? Are you sure it's not in the bathroom?
Yes, housekeeping already checked. It's not there.
Okay, did the guest say anything?
He says he doesn't know, but the bathrobe is not in the room.
John, this happens sometimes. Guests pack things by mistake.
I know, but we can't accuse him. He's a VIP guest.
You're right. Let's check the laundry room first. Maybe housekeeping took it.
Good idea. Can you call them?
Sure. Yes, laundry has it. They collected it early this morning.
Oh, that's a relief. So the bathrobe is safe.
Yes, let's inform the guest and apologize for the confusion.
Perfect. I'll talk to him now. Thank you, Mary.
No problem. Always check before you worry.